Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023. Let's find out what is going on a daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, we got this candlestick pattern with 100 and 200 periods moving average. Just recently, these two moving averages had been tested, and the local high was made at the level of 28,493. Nevertheless, this candle, the yesterday's daily candle, is still red. This is a down candle. Together we still have the inside bar, but we got the first, let's say, indication that the possible movement to the upside might be limited. Please disregard the spin bar because it's a bad tick on the exchange. So what do we have here is, for example, another very nice level for all of the traders. This level is the technical resistance, which is of course red, and it's located at the level of 28,800 tethers. So this is the level. This is exactly the level we are talking about. This is the key level to the upside as well, so please pay attention to it. Now, from the lows of 25,000, we can still have the short-term trend line support, and this trend line support might be based on these colors. For example, it doesn't actually matter. This is the one color I actually like. The market keeps trading above this short-term trend line, but first it was rejected from the moving averages, right? So the technical support is located at 25,000, as I said, and this is the range we've been trading inside. Now the question is whether there is some kind of a Fibonacci relationship between one and the other, let's say, movement to the upside between one and the other swing. So from that low to that high, and measured from this low, as you can see, we have almost hit the one level. Okay, what does it mean? The level of 28,552 was the high, and the level of 28,493 was the high of this red candle, which means that we are only generally $50-60 short of hitting the one-to-one Fibonacci relationship level. So this level here might be treated as the one-to-one Fibonacci relationship level, which means that the movement from the lows to the top of the wave, let's say A, measured from the bottom of the wave B, is exactly the same. So this movement here is exactly the same as this one, which is very, very common for the correction waves. Okay, the corrective waves to the upside follow the Fibonacci relationships. As you can see, this one is one of the strongest relationship between the wave A and wave C. So right now, basically what we can say is, at this level, the wave C is equal to wave A. So that's the situation here. Let me just show you guys the waves, of course. So which one we will going to take? I think the ABC. So the length of the wave A measured from the bottom of the wave B are equal, and right now it looks like, despite the fact that the momentum is still strong, is still positive, we might see the end of the corrective ABC move to the upside, and we might see downside development. Okay, so please keep an eye on the current situation, keep an eye on what is going on the Bitcoin. We got the intraday technical support 27,463, and we got the low of the wave B as the last resort for the boost, 26,088 tethers. So those two levels must be very, very well known for all of the traders, because those are the key technical supports for the Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame chart. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.